Hello guys, back together, drawing for kids. Hope you guys are entertained with pictures this time and enjoy watching. Today is very special because we will draw and color cute cartoon eye, Spongebob SquarePants. Keep supporting this channel so that it becomes more developed and can entertain all of you. Let's go! Spongebob SquarePants cartoon? Yes, I also really like this cartoon friend.
Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo loo, skip to my loo, loo loo. Skip to my loo, loo loo. Skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling. Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon.
Wow, amazing! First of all, let's color the picture of Squidward. Let's go! Aquaman.
Off to Texas 2 by 2. Off to Texas 2 by 2. Off to Texas 2 by 2. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Next eyes. Squidward we give color. Red. Last part, we color the clothes. Squidward with colors. Brown.
Lost my partner, what'll I do?
Look, Squidward looks so cool. Come on, it's time for us to color SpongeBob. Let's go. Yellow. Continue section. Bubbles in SpongeBob's body. We color with jade green.
Skip to my loo, my darling.
Then we give color to the SpongeBob eyes. Blue.
Farmer in the dell, the farmer
Black.
in the dell. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. The farmer takes the
Then we give the mouth part of the color.
Hi-ho
Red.
the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife.
Vivid red.
The wife takes the child, the wife takes the child. Hi-ho the dairy-o.
Before giving color to SpongeBob's clothes, we first draw his eyebrows. Let's go.
Hi-ho the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse.
It's time to color SpongeBob's clothes.
Takes the
Brown.
The nurse takes the cow. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the nurse takes the cow.
Then we give
Cow
SpongeBob
takes the
tri-color.
dog. The cow
Red.
takes the dog. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cow takes the dog.
Black.
The dog takes the cat.
Yeah,
The dog takes
SpongeBob
the cat.
SquarePants. It is
Hi-ho,
finished.
dairy-o,
Looks
the
very
dog
cute
takes the
and
cat.
very adorable.
The cat takes
Next
the
we
mouse.
color
The cat
Patrick
takes the
Star.
mouse.
Let's go.
Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cat takes the mouse. The mouse takes the cheese. The mouse takes the cheese. Hi-ho the
Then we
dairy-o,
color
the
Patrick's
mouse
mouth.
takes the cheese. The cheese stands alone.
Vivid
The
red.
cheese stands alone. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone. Hi-ho the dairy-o,
Red.
the cheese stands alone.
Next, we color Patrick's eyes and hat. Black.
London Bridge is falling
Blue.
down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. Built
Yellow.
up with sticks and stones, sticks
color Patrick Star's pants. Let's go. Pale green, lavender. This is Patrick Star from Bikini Bottom City. Very cute. The last one we colored, Mr. Krabs. Let's go. Pale green,
Lady, build it up with wood and clay, wood and clay, wood and clay.
Green.
Build it up with wood and clay, my fair lady.
Next, we color the eyes and face of Mr. Krabs. Black, red,
Wood and clay will wash away, wash away, wash away. Wood and clay will wash away, my fair lady. Build it up with iron and steel, iron and steel, iron and steel.
Then the last thing we color is the shirt and pants of Mr. Krabs so that it looks more dashing and cool. Let's go. Blue-gray, black,
Iron and steel will bend and bow,
Blue.
bend and bow, bend and bow. Iron and steel will bend and bow, my fair lady. London Bridge is falling down, falling down.
pale baby blue.
London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady.
Yeah, finally, Mr. Krabs and other friends have finished drawing and coloring the latter. Let's color the background behind their picture. Let's go.
Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white
Vivid
as
red.
snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. And everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed
Next,
her to
we color SpongeBob SquarePants background.
school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and
Next, we color the Patrick Stars background.
made the children laugh
Pale
and
baby
play
blue.
to see a lamb at school. And so
And the last one that we will color is Mr. Krab background. Let's go.
So the
Yellow.
teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near, and waited patiently about, patiently about, patiently about, and waited patiently.
Hooray! Finally, drawing and coloring SpongeBob SquarePants and Friends is finished. I hope all of you are happy and entertained, guys.
What does
Thanks
the
for
lamb
watching and
Mary
see you in the next video.
so
Bye bye.
Mary, so what does the lamb